Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. I have to click on the start settings. Then I need to come to storage, click on system and storage. Once you click on storage, it will give you the details for the drive. It will also show you the capacity of the drive which is being used, and if there is any temporary files which are there in this drive, it will also show you the details of the temporary files and how much space it is being used. There is also an option to use the storage sense. Storage sense is basically an automatic tool which will check the temporary files and junk files as per the configuration, and it will delete the temporary files. To configure the storage sense, I am going to click on this arrow key and it will give you an option to automatically use cleanup. I can disable it. Enable for automatically cleanup or disable to not to use automatic cleanup. If you disable it, the automatic cleanup will not happen. When you enable, you can even schedule the automatic cleanup, and you can specify every day, every week, every month, or even during low free disk space, which is the default. If there are deleted files in your recycle bin after 30 days, if storage sense is enabled, it will automatically delete the files in the recycle bin. If you don't want to delete the recycle bin content, you can select never to delete any recycle bin. Sometimes you might be deleted some of the files and it will be moved to recycle bin. At a later point, you realize and you wanted to recover those files from the recycle bin. So in that case, choose never, or if you wanted the storage sense to clean up your files, you can select any of these options. Select from any of these days and set the configuration so that recycle bin data will be deleted. Also, it will delete the files and folders in the downloaded folder. You can also schedule that. You can choose never, or you can even choose number of days when it has to be deleted from the downloaded folder. If you wanted to manually run the storage sense, now you can manually run by clicking now. Run the storage sense and see the recommendation what it will provide, and take action based on the recommendation what the storage sense has provided. It will actually scan the disk and see what are the junk files. If it has provided any recommendation, take action based on the recommendation.